Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'll unbox the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus as well as briefly introduce you about its specs. So let's get into it. If you're someone new to our channel, please consider subscribing to our channel as we do regular reviews for various smartphones and smartwatches, designing tutorials and much more. Also check out our playlist tab to find curated playlist for various content we post on this channel. So here I have a beast among the newer smartphones and it is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So before I start unboxing, let me give you a brief introduction to its specs. The one I have over here is with 128 gigs of memory and 8 gigs of RAM. Samsung offers a vivid color range from Prism Black, Ceramic Black, Prism Blue, Ceramic White and the Prism White, which I have over here. This beast is packed with the latest Snapdragon 855 processor and an octa-core CPU. With 8 gigs of RAM, this is an ultimate multitasking machine. It has a vibrant dynamic AMOLED Quad HD Plus screen, one of the best screen on current market, and a whopping 4100 mAh battery with enough juice to get you throughout the day. All this comes at a price tag of 1400 Canadian dollars. So right off the back, it's not cheap, but what you get is top quality. So let's get into the box. The exterior packaging to me seems about the same as previous S9 lineup. Nothing significantly different over here. At the back it says the packaging includes the phone, charger, stereo headset, USB connector, start guide, smart switch guide, and the mobile case offer. Let's reveal the jewel. And there it is. The first impression looking at it is mind-blowing. Look at the screen size, it's just phenomenal. So we'll come back to the phone later on. Let's see what's under it, and there is the fast charging brick. Not sure if you can see the fast charging logo. I don't know why they have camouflaged it. Under it is the USB to USB Type-C connector, which can be used for connecting any USB device like keyboard, mouse, etc. to the phone, and I will use it right away to smart switch my old S8 Plus data onto the new S10 Plus. Next in the box, and there is the USB Type-C cable for charging or data transfer, and there is the AKG headphone. From the front it looks like they are wireless, but it's wired. I personally liked how they provided a plastic case for the headphones of S8 Plus, which to me looked premium, but over here it's just a cardboard box. I guess Samsung could have done better over here. I think that's about it, but hold on, where is the guide and all the paperwork which we usually don't care about? Oh, it's hidden under the lid. Nice, Samsung, you just hide the part which most people don't even care about. So at the back of it is the SIM card tray ejector, and inside the box is just one booklet, nicely packed, and it's the quick start guide, which I'm not gonna open as no one is interested in it. Now let's go on to the phone. Oh my goodness, the Prism White looks even better in person than in picture. So at the back there is the triple camera setup with the LED flashlight, the sensor. The main camera is a dual aperture 12 megapixel with optical image stabilization. The second in line is the ultra wide 16 megapixel lens without optical image stabilization, and the third in line is the telephoto lens with 12 megapixel. The back and the front both have Corning Gorilla Glass. At the back it's the damage and drop resistance Gorilla Glass 5, and at the front it's the Gorilla Glass 6, which Samsung claims to be scratch and drop resistance, and my favorite, it's finally oleophobic. That means no fingerprints or smudges. At the bottom there is an in-display proprietary ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. The front screen does have this hole punch for the dual selfie camera. The primary camera is 10 megapixel autofocus with optical image stabilization, and the secondary camera is an autofocus 8 megapixel RGB depth sensing camera. Beside it is the earpiece speaker, which also works as a loudspeaker in conjunction with the bottom speaker while viewing content for a full stereo experience. This hole beside the bottom speaker is the microphone, and there is another microphone on top. Right beside it is the SIM and the micro SD card tray. Just so you guys know, you can load up to 512 gigs of memory micro SD card. At the bottom is the USB Type-C charging port, and my favorite, the audio 3.5mm jack. For all those cabled headset lover, it's still there. On the left hand side, it's the Bixby button, and on top it's the volume rocker, and on the right hand side there is this power key. So that's it guys with the unboxing video. Please stay tuned by subscribing, as I will post more S10 Plus videos and reviews. And if you guys are looking to get accessories or SD card for S10 Plus, please check the Amazon links in the description of this video, and shopping from those links really helps our channel, as all the tags on our videos are unsponsored and I do pay the full price to give you guys the honest opinion. So make sure to check those links out. So I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up, and maybe give it a thumbs up anyways as an appreciation to our effort for making this video. It really means a lot. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos, and take care. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.